morning, guys. Welcome to another vloggy vlog. It's your girl Alicia Amor, and if you don't know who I am, I'm just that girl that make fun and entertaining vlogs for y'all and challenges as well, and a little bit of makeup. I haven't been doing much makeup tutorials lately. I don't really think I'm a makeup tutorial gal, but anyway, I do makeup tutorials sometimes. Don't mind my dry lips, guys, or like if it seems like makeup is here, it's because I just did my makeup, but I'm still trying to figure out if I should wear a lipstick or if I should put on a lip gloss. I've been loving lip glosses lately, so chances are I'm gonna be wearing a nude lippy today. I have this dress on. Yeah, it's all fancy, but I'm not gonna wear. I'm just going to here's so much copyright in the background. I'm just going to the nail tech, and after the nail tech I might also be going to the studio. I hope you guys have been loving the vlogs that I've been putting out lately. You know, I've been really trying my best to get entertaining vlogs out there for you guys. I'm gonna figure out what lipstick I'm gonna wear. I'm gonna put on like a little flats. Right now I have no shoes on, and I'll talk to you guys when I get on the road. Alright, guys, so we had the nail tech. I'm ready. Focus. Focus on Sam. Let me know what you the eye for you. The eye for you. Hi. The appreciate. Alright, so good morning, guys. Now I'm going to work, hence why I look like this. But I wanted to share some very important I wanted to share some very important news with you guys. I wanted to let you know that this year I'm gonna participate in Vlogmas. The only thing is I'm not gonna be doing a vlog every single day because of my work, and it will be very hard to do that. By the way, here's my nails, guys. I did this yesterday. It's not focusing, but yeah, some green shimmery sparkly thing. So I'm gonna be participating in Vlogmas, guys, and as I said before, it's not gonna be a vlog every day, but it will be a vlog for every single week, even though I'm trying to do that now. But I'm gonna try to make a very exciting vlog every single week this December. It will be about preparing for Christmas and the stuff that I'm doing on a day-to-day basis as well. Yeah, but don't look for it to be every single day. I may give you guys bonus videos depending on the amount of footages that I have and stuff like that. But yeah, definitely just wanted to come on here to let you guys know that this year I will be participating in Vlogmas. It will be my first time participating in Vlogmas, but then again, it's my first time really like being dedicated to doing YouTube videos, so I don't want to be late. I just wanted to come on here and let you guys know that before I head out to work. It's Friday, by the way, so I'm kind of casual, just this little top and my jeans. We'll put on my shoes when I get to work. See you guys later. Bye. Mia, come tell them good morning. Mia is going to school too. We're both kind of just late. Come. Acting shy. Always reading a book, by the way. Say good morning. Good morning. Anything else? Vote for me. Vote for me for what? Good morning, guys. Guess where I'm at? Yes, so today is officially my first day at the gym. Yes, so I'm gonna get this workout popping today. Unfortunately, I got work in like an hour, so today it's just gonna be like a work at first day prep for like all the other hardcore activities that I'm gonna have to get done. So I decided to start the gym because I feel like my body wants some work. Like I mean, I've been getting fat. I feel like I put on like 25 to 30 pounds in like a year, and it may not look that bad, but honestly it has been bothering me. So I started the gym like 3 months ago, but I was doing it on my own, and I really felt like I really didn't feel motivated doing it on my own. So I took a break and I decided to start again, and this time I want to be more committed. I kind of just wanted to turn myself into like a fitness fanatic. So today is gonna be the first day. It's Saturday actually, so I'm not gonna be doing much. You guys won't see much today, just pre-workout before I really start to get in it. So yeah, I'm showing me. All right, so today's gym wear, and I'm gonna be wearing a lot of big clothes at first until my body start looking like Tiana Taylor, because that's what I'm going for. So I just have on like a regular white marina top, a regular black tights, and my Nike sneakers or whatever. So I'm a black hat, of course. So this is me. I'm showing on my body. Come on, all right, so currently this is the situation, and what I really want to work on is all of this area. So I kind of want my waist to come in like this, and I want, of course, the booty to pop out some more, and most importantly my arms. And my arms have gotten so fat, it's just disgusting. I hate it. So that's what I'm gonna be working on. Chick's over there, so he's gonna be my trainer for the day. He's so disgusting. Say hi to me, Amor. Say hi now. Hi guys. All right, so he's just gonna be my trainer for today. I couldn't really have him as a trainer for very long because they're annoying.
But that's what you need in life, annoyance. Come on, let's go, man. Come.
Wait, let me just pull my vlog. All right, guys, so I'll talk to you guys later. I'm gonna focus, but y'all get the drift.
Gucci XO 1017.
The kid back on the whiskey, Virginia Black got me tipsy. I'm in LA like I'm Nipsey. Spanish girls wanna kiss me. My SV, she do it all for the Fendi, she do it all for the Gucci. Baby girl wanna choose me, she wanna use and abuse me. I know she wanna text me, I know she wanna me. 50,000 make a net freeze, but once like next please. With the dead, the bull like a matador.
Cap and a stem, catch a wave on us. Take a shot, make a friend, just enjoy the moment. I'm Luke Skywalking on these haters. Celebrate every day like a birthday. Don't sleep, you gotta stay up. Don't sleep, you gotta stay up.
VVS the real. Might steal you, yeah. VVS the rich. You ain't never ball like this. Tone that down. Tell me who can ball like this. Tone that down. Who you nigga ball like this? Tone that down. Tell me who can ball like this.
Huh? You ain't never seen a glow up like this. Not a that was trapping on the corner.
VVS the rich. Might steal you, yeah. VVS the rich. Might steal you.
Yeah. Oh. Gucci gang. Oh.
That's it right there.
Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang. Spread thin racks on new chain. My shit love do cocaine. Ooh, I fuck a bitch, I forgot name. I can't buy me no wetter rain. Rather go and buy ball mains. Gucci gang, 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 Gucci gang.
Purchase your tracks today.
broke down in a late night, me and her lockdown. She found John to the side, rise a shotgun. In my dark glass, cut off shots, clocks well clean. Touch you road with me blood clotty. Can't believe I take him girl away from me, Mokado. Can't believe can't believe I take him girl away from me, Mokado.
Yeah, I know. Let's go. Gucci on my belt. Bought a necklace for myself. Bought Giuseppe for myself. Spent them blessings on myself. Donatello, that's it. I smoke purple out the shell. She won't belt cause I'm a 7-figure, self-made nigga. Blow the money, get it back the next day, nigga. Made it back, yeah. Wow, what the check say, nigga.
Alright guys, that was a first day prep workout. So when I come back on Monday, I'm gonna be in for the real deal with the trainer that I know is going to kick my butt. So I think I grow a little ass since that little 5-minute workout. I'm just kidding. It wasn't a lot. I tried to get an hour in because I have to go to work, but I'm thinking I'm gonna come back at 8 tonight to do a second dose, and I'm gonna come back tomorrow and prep myself for Monday. Yeah, so I think this is it for this vlog, guys. This is not gonna be a very long vlog. I'll be doing vlogmas, one short vlog every single week, so you guys can look out for that. It will be a fun and exciting Christmas. And if you guys have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do so now. Hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell as well, so that you can get notified each and every time I post a new video. See you guys in my next vlog. See you guys in my next vlog. Love you, AMORS.
None of my brothers them do it already. Tim can't do it again. Tell him friends them see it already. Tim can't see it again. Them days them done and gone.